Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Sorento trunk from the inside. First, locate the emergency release lever, which is usually a small glow-in-the-dark handle or tab. It's typically found on the inside of the trunk lid, near the latch mechanism. Once you've found it, simply pull the lever firmly towards you. This action will unlatch the trunk, allowing it to open. It's a straightforward process designed for quick access. This internal trunk release is a vital safety feature in your Kia Sorento. Its primary purpose is to allow anyone accidentally trapped inside the trunk to escape quickly and safely. It's designed for emergency situations, providing peace of mind. Knowing exactly where this lever is located and how to operate it is crucial for your safety and the safety of others. Always prioritize familiarizing yourself with this important mechanism. Beyond the emergency lever, some Kia Sorento models offer additional ways to open the trunk from inside or nearby. Many trims feature a dedicated trunk release button located near the driver's seat. Your key fob might also have a button to remotely open the liftgate. For models with a power liftgate, you can even set it up to open automatically when you approach with your smart key, offering great convenience. Knowing how to access your trunk from the inside is a crucial safety skill. Always remember the location of that emergency release lever in your Kia Sorento. It's there for your protection and peace of mind, ensuring you can always get out if needed. Practice using it in a safe, controlled environment so you're prepared. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.